Well, today we are launching the Town Centre First principle, which has been agreed between Scottish Government and local government, COSLA and local authorities to ensure that in future decisions about investments and planning and other areas think about and consider fully impacts on town centres. So this is a very positive, proactive and dynamic policy to ensure that our town centres are vibrant and successful going into the future.
Yeah, today we're obviously here looking at Barrhead as being a leading example of town centre regeneration. Over the last few years, despite the downturn, we recognise that Barrhead has been the main town across East Renfrewshire, is that it had lost a lot through the industrial era collapsing, and the town was left effectively on its knees. And so we looked at how we would regenerate the town. So we've done that by building part of our council headquarters here in Barrhead, along with our First Community Health and Care Partnership office in Scotland. So we brought those together, centralising and focusing on the town centre. And we obviously have further ongoing work underway at the moment.
Well, we've come to East Renfrewshire, Barrhead specifically, because I think they've got a great story to tell, encapsulating a range of actions: town centre investment, environmental improvements, but crucially locating public sector jobs within the town centre. So a great partnership approach, working with local communities as well and across a range of partners. And the council's been very proactive, not the only council to be so proactive, East Ayrshire and Western Bartonshire, Highland are other councils that I could name check as well. These are examples of councils working very hard to support local communities in their town centres, and I'm delighted that the Convention of Scottish Local Authorities are working in partnership with Scottish Government to deliver this new dynamic Town Centre First principle. I think all public bodies should recognise the sense of importance that local people attach to their town centres, and so when making decisions about investments, jobs and where to locate services, there should be a heavy weighting on the impact of town centres. So this new policy, I think, will support decision makers in the decisions they make in the future, and that will cut right across the spectrum of public sector bodies, and I think that will be welcomed by local communities the length and breadth of Scotland.